The largest living things in the world call the sea their home, and in fact, the largest creature to have ever lived on the planet currently resides in the ocean. Some of these creatures remain elusive and wildly mysterious. These giant creatures are not only huge in size, but are also known for their unique behavior and ecological role. So let's start introducing these 10 giants. Number 10. Japanese spider crab. It is also known as Macrochera campheri. This crab is mainly found in the seas around Japan at a depth of 200 to 1,000 meters. Here, darkness and cold reign. The Japanese spider crab is the world's largest crustacean. Its length is up to 4 meters and weight is up to 20 kilogram. Imagine, it's the size of a car. This crab is carnivorous and preys mainly on small organisms, dead fish, and organic debris. According to an estimate, they can eat up to 50 kilograms in a day. According to some reports, the Japanese spider crab can live up to 100 years. It grows slowly and becomes mature in about 20 years. There are many stories and myths prevalent about the Japanese spider crab. Some people believe that they pull the ships down by holding them with their feet. Number 9. Ocean sunfish. It is also known as mola mola. Ocean sunfish is the heaviest bony fish in the world. Its length is up to 3 meters and weight is up to 2 tons. But the surprising thing is that their brain is very small. It is the size of a walnut. The swimming style of ocean sunfish is also amazing. They do not have a tail, rather they have one large wing on either side of the back of the body. By shaking them, they move forward in the water. Ocean sunfish also play an important role in cleaning the ocean. They do cleaning work by eating jellyfish and small sea creatures. They do not stay in just one place. They roam far and wide in the sea. Ocean sunfish can be seen only in the Pacific Ocean. The number of ocean sunfish has been decreasing in the last few years. The reason for this is believed to be pollution and entanglement in fishing nets. Number 8. Oarfish. The oarfish is often known as a sea snake or dragon. It is so long and thin that it looks like a sea ribbon. The oarfish is one of the longest bony fish in the world. Its length is up to 11 meters, which is equal to a school bus. They live in the deep sea, at a depth of about 2,000 meters, where even sunlight cannot reach. Their body structure is special to live in this darkness. Their skin is shiny silver color, which catches some light even in low light. Additionally, their large eyes help them see even in low light. Oarfish prefer to live alone and swim slowly. They mainly eat small marine organisms, such as plankton and krill. They use patience while hunting, and slowly moves closer to the prey, then suddenly opens its mouth and swallows them. Oarfish are very difficult to see because they live in the deep sea and rarely come to the surface. Number 7. Giant Pacific octopus. This octopus is not only the largest in size, but also proves its mettle in intelligence and cunning. The giant Pacific octopus is the largest octopus in the world. Its length is up to 9 meters and weight is up to 50 kilograms. If its 8 long arms are spread out, it takes up the space of a big ship. In comparison, if a human being is placed on it, he can sleep comfortably on one of its arms only. This is truly a huge monster of the sea. Octopuses are considered the most intelligent invertebrates, and the giant Pacific octopus is one of the smartest of them all. It has a large and complex brain, capable of learning, problem-solving, and even using tools. The giant Pacific octopus has amazing camouflage abilities. The color of its body sometimes changes to red, green, brown, or even spotted. The giant Pacific octopus prefers to live alone and hunts mainly crabs, shrimp, and fish. Number 6. Giant squid. This creature is known for its vastness, strength, and mysterious nature. The giant squid lives in the depths of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches. He roams alone in depths of more than 2 kilometers and searches for prey. It is the world's largest invertebrate organism. It grows up to 13 meters long and has eyes as big as a basketball. It has 10 arms which are very powerful. For centuries, the giant squid was considered a sea monster. There are many horror stories and legends about it, including sinking ships and dragging sailors away. Number 5. Basking Shark. It is the second largest fish in ocean, but its nature is absolutely calm. Its length is up to 12 meters, and its weight is up to 8,500 pounds, which is almost equal to a double-decker bus. It often comes to the surface of the sea and basks in the sun for hours. Its back is dark brown in color, which helps in absorbing the heat of the sun. The basking shark is a filter feeder. It filters the water by opening its huge mouth and fills its stomach by eating the microscopic organisms present in it, such as plankton and krill. Basking shark always likes to be alone and roams in the open sea. Number 4. Whale shark. Meet the largest fish in the sea, the beautiful whale shark. These majestic giants roam the oceans across the planet. Whale sharks are up to 40 feet long and weigh up to 21 tons, which is equivalent to a bus. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. They have spotted stripes on their body, which are blue, gray, and white in color. It can filter up to 200 tons of water in a day. They often live in groups. Whale sharks roam in warm water areas all over the world. They travel thousands of kilometers, as if they have set out on a journey across the entire ocean. Number 3. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest toothed predator living on the seabed, whose length is up to 20 meters and weight is up to 20 pounds. It lives at a depth of more than 3 kilometers in the deep sea, where even sunlight does not reach, and there it hunts while ruling in the darkness. Sperm whales use sounds like click-click to communicate with each other. These sounds are so loud that they can be heard kilometers away. By listening to these sounds, whales collect complete information about their surroundings so that they can locate their prey. Its main food is giant squid and octopus. There is an interesting difference between male and female sperm whales regarding their teeth. Males have large and sharp teeth in their lower jaw, which they use for fighting. The teeth of females are smaller and hidden. Another mystery related to the sperm whale is ambergris. It is a waxy substance sometimes found in the intestines of whales. Ambergris is very expensive and is used in making perfumes. Number 2. Blue whale. The blue whale is also known as the world's largest creature and the king of the seas. The blue whale is up to 30 meters long, which is almost the length of a football field. They weigh up to 200 tons, which is equivalent to 30 elephants. Blue whale is one of the loudest sounding creatures. Their calls reach up to 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet plane. This sound can be heard even 1,600 kilometers away. The main food of the blue whale is small organisms, especially microorganisms called krill. It can swallow up to 40 tons of krill at one time. Blue whales generally live alone or in small groups. They communicate with each other only through their humming. Number 1. Lion's mane jellyfish. This giant jellyfish is one of the longest species in the world, found in cold and warm areas of the ocean. The body of the lion's mane jellyfish is almost transparent, as if made of jelly. It shines in rainbow colors in sunlight. As the name of lion's mane jellyfish suggests, the shape of this jellyfish actually resembles a lion's mane. Its long and thin tentacles can reach more than 120 feet long, and the storm can extend up to 2 meters, as if it were the sail of a ship. Its long tentacles keep waving like a lion's mane. These jellyfish usually live alone, but produce complex sounds to communicate with each other. These sounds are believed to be used to signal food or danger. As we conclude our epic journey through the world of ocean giants, we're left in awe of the sheer diversity and magnificence of these extraordinary creatures. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the realm of the ocean's giants.